मिटींग आशिल्ली PWD मिनिस्टरा बरोबर कितें जालें?
PWD मिनिस्टराची मिटींग जाली तेजे पयलीं हांव मुद्दम सांगूंक सोदतां म्हापश्यां वेपारकारांची आनी गोंय वेपारकारांची युनियन जी आसा तेंची दोगूय जाणांची मिटींग ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरा वांगडा आनी DMA वांगडा जाल्या विथ द रिसंट सर्क्युलर दॅट केम आउट वेअर पावर्स वर गिवन टू द म्युनिसिपॅलिटी प्रत्येक म्युनिसिपॅलिटी फॉर रिन्युअल ऑफ लीज एग्रीमेंट्स ऑफ म्युनिसिपल प्रॉपर्टीज. सो आय बिलीव CM ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान जायते तेजेर क्लॅरिटी दिलेलें आसा विथ रिगार्ड्स टू ट्रान्सफर दॅट वॉज डिलेड ओवर द लास्ट कपल ऑफ इयर्स. आमकां कळपाक येता इन मोस्ट केसीस द लीज एग्रीमेंट्स आर नॉट रिन्यूड सिन्स 2018. सो आनी 2 वर्सां भितर ऑलमोस्ट 10 वर्सां जायत येतले वे दीस पीपल हॅव फेस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ इनजस्टीस. सो त्या कारणाक आयज मुद्दमूच वी हॅड अ मीटिंग विथ ऑनरेबल CM and DMA to get clarity on the same. Honorable Chief Minister has been very accommodating and he has given direction to the Director of Municipal Administration to allow under ease of doing business in Goa that येता ते फुडले assembly पयली एक ordinance येतले where anybody applying for renewal of lease agreement within 3 days or 4 days or shortest period, the lease agreement would be deemed renewed if the council delays in any form, unless it is mentioned to them that there are certain outstandings or there are certain defaults in caused by the lessee, between the lessor and lessee. Those files that are clear will be considered deemed approved. So I think it is a big relief to the merchants. Mapshan Zaite merchants. I believe Mapsa has one of the most number of shops in the entire state of Goa, that it has one of the biggest markets. And I think a एक निर्णय गावला with regards to the lease agreement renewals and the transfers between the blood relations. तशेंच there was some issue with regards to the rate. There were some calculation issues that were to be discussed, 5%, 10%, and वेगवेगळे तरेचे slabs आसले. So I believe Honorable Chief Minister has given clarity to DMA. म्हाका दिसता फुडले येता त्या विका भितर the Director of Municipal Administration will have a meeting with all COs and commissioners of CCP along with all other municipalities to give clarity on how to move forward with this matter. तशेंच with regards to PWD, I just